The growing feral wild hog infestation. According to the Forestry and National Resources, most of the United States have seen an increase in the numbers of wild hogs in the last decade, causing damage to the agricultural and wildlife areas of the country. The wild hog population has doubled due to the intentional release or the escape of hogs from enclosures. Species Survival Conservation deems these hogs as the worst invasive species. Damage includes rooting and wallowing, degradation of crops and livestock, spreading diseases, property damage, and native wildlife having to compete with wild hogs, creating a decline and extinction of plants. For example, by eating seeds like acorns, and therefore causing a loss of the reseeding of the wooded areas. Wild hogs are also making trenches in fields that can cause damage to equipment and farming operations. Wild hogs prey on livestock, especially newborn lambs and deer, goats or calves, and others. One of the major wild hogs' threat is to our native wildlife due to the competition for food and space, especially the game animals. Wild hogs are predatory of eggs and newly hatched young of ground nesting birds, sea turtles, small mammals, salamanders, frogs, crabs, mussels, and snakes. All are great reasons to trap wild hogs, as well as hunting and trapping hogs for barbecuing or smoking of delicious meat. Units have hand cranks to raise and lower trap into position. The pins are all 4 foot tall, with square tubing around the top of the panel, keeping the hogs from climbing out. The units have a spring-loaded gate with a rod trip to keep it open until hogs enter the pen, and when hogs touch the trip, the gate will close. Other hogs can still enter, but all hogs will be unable to exit the pen.